Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to ungroup elements in Canva. If you've ever clicked on an object and noticed several things moving together, that means they're grouped. Grouping is a great way to keep items aligned, especially when you're creating designs for your Shopify store, like product images or marketing materials, where you want elements to stay in place while you're working. But when you want to edit or move pieces independently, you'll need to ungroup them. The good news is, it only takes a moment. Start by opening your project in Canva and heading to the page where those grouped elements live. If you're working on a page with multiple elements, it's important to zoom in and make sure you're on the exact section where your grouped elements are. Look for the set of items that behave as one. When you click them, you'll usually see a single bounding box around multiple pieces, which is a clear sign you're dealing with a group. Go ahead and click that group once to select it. Make sure you're clicking the group as a whole, not just a single piece. If everything highlights together, you're in the right place. This makes it easy to move and adjust elements that are part of a larger design or concept, such as a product label or social media graphic where elements need to stay aligned. Once the group is selected, a context menu will appear. Depending on your setup, this might show up right above the canvas, or you might prefer to right-click to see it next to your cursor. In that menu, look for the option labeled Ungroup. Click Ungroup, and that's it. Your items immediately separate into individual elements. You'll know it worked if, after ungrouping, clicking on one shape, line, or text box no longer selects the others. You can now move, resize, recolor, or edit each piece independently. This is perfect when you want to adjust individual components of a grouped object, like changing the color of one part of a logo or resizing a text box without affecting the rest of your design. If you make a change and decide you preferred the group state, remember you can use Undo to step back instantly. This is especially helpful if you're experimenting with different layouts or adjustments and want to quickly revert to the grouped configuration. If you don't see the Ungroup option, a couple of things might be happening. First, the item you selected might not actually be a group. It could be a single element that just looks like multiple parts. For example, a text box might have several words in it, but it could still be considered a single object. In that case, Ungroup won't be available because there's nothing to separate. Second, some complex elements or special components may not support ungrouping. When that's the case, Canva simply won't offer the option. A quick way to check is to click once, look for a single bounding box, and see whether other pieces move with it. If you're working with something like a chart or a grouped image with effects, ungrouping might not be an option. To make this process easier, try zooming in before selecting, especially if your elements are close together. That reduces misclicks and helps you confirm you've selected the whole group. This is a great tip when you're working with closely packed elements, such as text and graphics on a promotional banner for your Shopify store, where precise selection is key. After ungrouping, take a moment to click through each element to ensure everything is separated the way you expect. This step is crucial, especially when dealing with complex layouts or designs with many elements. It ensures that everything is in place and you're able to make the changes you need without leaving anything behind. That's all there is to it. Click the grouped elements, open the context menu, choose Ungroup, and you're ready to edit each piece on its own. Whether you're refining a product image, adjusting text in a marketing graphic, or creating a custom design, ungrouping is a simple but powerful tool to help you get the exact result you're looking for in Canva.